Hello everyone, my name is Abby Bliss White and welcome to my channel. Today I just got a very beautiful gift delivered to me and we are gonna do a little unboxing today. You guys are coming along for the ride. So the House of Sillage just sent me a mystery gift, you guys, and this is their newest mystery vault collection. And they wrote me the nicest card, and I'm gonna read this to you. It is saying, "Dear Abby, our thoughts, love, and support are with you and the rest of the world during this time. We hope our newest mystery vault collection brings a smile to your face. This is our second mystery vault collection exclusive to houseofsillage.com. The vault set you have is the Bold Confidence Vault. We thought this was perfect for you from the House of Sillage team." You guys, they have been more than wonderful reaching out to all of us. A little bright spot during all this uncertain time. So I thought, you know what, let's go ahead and unbox this together. And you guys, they are taking a lot of extra precautions with packaging. This was hand packed by them with gloves and such. And let's go ahead and open up and see what's in this mystery vault. Okay, so I'm gonna open this guy up and let's see what is in here. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we have, oh wow. Okay, you guys, in my mystery vault is the Emerald Rain, and this says the royal white tiger is rare, untamed with emerald eyes, confidence reigns, fiercely independent, inner strength proceeding, do not stare into the eye of the tiger, brazen Indonesian nutmeg and spicy Indian cardamom oil convey courage unprecedented. This is the fragrance of empowerment. And guess what? I actually need that right now. Let's check this beauty out. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh wow. Okay, you guys, this one is in the black top here. And this is Emerald Rain. A moment to look at the beautiful bottle. You guys, it's just exquisite. And then let's check out the gorgeous. Oh wow, this is pretty. Okay, let's go ahead and take a little spritz. You guys, this is kind of like one of these warm ambery kind of fragrances. So you guys, this is like a really warm, kind of almost spicy kind of fragrance, but it is drying down to a super kind of cozy and definitely something that you do want to have confidence if you're wearing it. I actually really love this. It has top notes of nutmeg and cardamom. The heart notes are going to be violet leaves and sandalwood. And then at the base note, it's gonna have patchouli and benzoin. And benzoin kind of has that kind of warm, kind of vanilla-ish dry down to it. This is definitely one of these kind of warm and beautiful kind of fragrances. It is definitely like a standout. You guys, I love the little spicy kick from the nutmeg and the cardamom oil, but remember, I am a total foodie person, so I love kind of those a little bit on the gourmandy kind of fragrances. This is gorgeous. Okay, also included in the mystery vault in this guy, let's see, we're gonna open this up together and opening this up, you guys, and this looks like it includes a beautiful lipstick case. Let's check this guy out. Oh wow, this is the limited edition red case, you guys. Absolutely gorgeous, so beautiful. Then it looks like it has come with a lipstick insert, And you guys, this one is limited edition in Duchess. So let's check that out. So we'll take this out and we'll put the lipstick in here. You guys, these are just the most beautiful keepsake. You just bring this just like this, and then we are going to click it into place, and then I will swatch Duchess for you. Just a beautiful kind of, oh, that's gorgeous, kind of a mauve pink color. Here is this shade, you guys. And then last but not least, we have a Trend, and this is a little travel perfume spray. Let's see what this is in number 10. This is fantastic, you guys. So, oops, it already has one in here. It has a refill. So let's go ahead, and then it has a little travel refill spread. You guys, that's a really nice kind of clean floral fragrance. Really kind of light, but has some oomph to it. Very pretty. These little mystery beauty vaults from House of Sillage are kind of fun. That is going to cost $339, and you're going to get a surprise. So that does not mean that you're going to be getting the stuff that was received in my mystery vault. So the one that I received is the Bold Confidence Mystery Beauty Vault. In that you will be getting a guaranteed of one full-sized signature fragrance that's valued at $360. And that is, again, you guys, you're gonna get this vault for $339. This is a $682 value. So you're going to be getting a plethora of goodies in your mystery vault. These little travel perfumes are super cute, and again, you get an extra little insert to put into your travel case. Then we have received the lipstick beautiful case that anybody would love, with a lipstick to insert into it, as well as a full-size fragrance from their signature line. Such a beautiful surprise gift. Loving everything in there. So thank you so much, House of Sillage. This was a huge treat for me. You totally lifted up my entire day, and just wanted to say thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. Please stay safe, please stay healthy, and I will be back with another video soon.